Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Vtopmart 44 PCS Clear Plastic Drawer Organizer Set. If you're looking for an easy way to organize your makeup, jewelry, office supplies, or even kitchen utensils, then this might just be the product for you. This set is perfect for those who want to maintain a tidy, well-organized space, especially when it comes to managing all your cosmetics and accessories. Whether you're arranging your makeup tools, jewelry, or office supplies, these organizers can be easily customized to fit any drawer or cabinet in your home or office. One of the standout features of this set is the non-slip design. Each organizer comes with silicone pads that you can attach to the bottom of the trays. This added feature ensures that your organizers stay in place, even when you're pulling them in and out of your drawers. No more worrying about them sliding around or getting disorganized. Another thing that sets the Vtopmart organizers apart is their stackable design. When you're not using them, you can stack the trays inside one another to save space. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone who values functionality and wants to keep their space clutter-free. Plus, they are easy to clean. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to maintain that clear, fresh look. If you're someone who enjoys having everything neatly organized and easily accessible, these organizers will truly make a difference in your daily life. The transparency of the plastic allows you to quickly see what's inside, so you don't waste time digging around for what you need. Whether you're organizing makeup in your vanity, jewelry in your bedroom, or office supplies on your desk, these organizers offer the perfect solution for all your storage needs. In conclusion, the Vtopmart 44 PCS Clear Plastic Drawer Organizers set is a great addition to any home or office. With its versatility, non-slip design, and space-saving features, it makes organizing a breeze. So if you're looking for the best makeup organizer and storage drawer solution, this set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.